National Autonomous of Honduras. English 1. Name student is Fernando Machado. Teacher name is Clarissa Perez. Student ID is 2026-19-3019. Section 1002. Date March 11, 2026. My type of family tree, and here are my 5 members of family, were my mother, my father, my sister, my paternal grandfather, and my maternal grandfather. Full name is Miguel Jose Arrieta. Age is 80 years old. Occupation is a master of the house. Place they are from is Miami, Florida, US. Nationality is Honduras. Physical description is a gray hair, is a white, is chubby and short. Description of personality is a intelligent, is a calm, is a funny and skin. Relationship with you, is a maternal grandfather. Full name is Erika Gisela Arrieta Rodriguez. Age is 47 years old. Occupation is pastry chef. Place they are from is Choloma Cortez. Nationality is Honduras. Physical description is she has blonde hair, she has blue eyes, she has short, and she has good beauty. Description of personality is loving, straight, and very attentive. Relationship with you, my mother. Full name is Victor Manuel Machado Guzmán. Age is 53 years old. Occupation is administration. Place they are from is La Libertad Comayagua. Nationality is Honduras. Physical description is he has black hair, is tall, with glasses, and is dark skinned. Description of personality is straight, keen, and respectful. Relationship with you is my father. Full name is Manuel Machado Mejia. Age 80 years old. Occupation he is a master of the house. Place they are from La Libertad Comayagua. Nationality is Honduras. Physical description is he has black hair, he has skinny short, he is dark, and has gray hair. Description of personality is he has calm man, of few words, responsible and believer. Relationship with you, he is my paternal grandfather. Full name is Reina Gisela Arrieta. Age is 26 years old. Occupation is businesswoman. Place they are from is Choloma Cortez. Nationality is Honduras. Physical description is she has orange hair, she has chubby, she has brown eyes, and she is short and very clean. Description of personality is thoughtful, is keen, always think positive, and be honest. Relationship with you, my sister.